Hi everyone, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2, Year to Year. In this lesson, we will learn ears of different animals, ears of different shapes and size, animals with different skin, and mammals. Children, let's begin with sense organs. What are sense organs? In previous class you learned about it. Yes, we have 5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, ears, skin, tongue. Eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste and skin to feel. Who has got my ears? Let's start looking at this picture. Are these animals looking funny? The artist has drawn wrong ears on the heads of the animals. Give correct ears to the animals in the space given below. Children, look at this picture carefully. The animal is elephant and the artist has drawn the ear of mouse on it. Elephants are the largest land animal on earth. It has long trunk, large floppy ears and wide thick legs. There is no other animal with a similar physique. The next animal is rabbit. The artist has drawn the ears of giraffe on it. The animal is mouse. The artist has drawn the ears of dog on it. In the picture, the next animal is giraffe. The artist has drawn the ear of elephant on it. Yes, this animal is looking funny. The animal is dog. The artist has drawn the ears of rabbit on it. Next you can see buffalo. The artist has drawn the ears of deer on it. The animal is deer and the artist has drawn the ears of buffalo on it. Children, look at this picture carefully. Different animals have different kinds of ears. But we can see only some of the animals' ears outside and we cannot see some of the animals' ears. Ears are the organs of hearing in animals. The primary function of ears in animal is to detect sound. Ears help the animals to hear the sound of predators so they can escape and prevent themselves from them. Here I am showing you some pictures of animals. Look at these pictures carefully. We have to find out which one ears that you can see and which animals you cannot see the ears. The first animal in the list is a deer. Here is the picture of a deer. The ears of deer can be seen outside. The next animal on the list is a tiger. The ears of tiger can be seen. Yes, frog is here. Can you spot its ears? The frog's ears we cannot see. Look at the picture of sparrow. Sparrow's ears cannot be easily seen. The next is fish. Do you see fish ears? It cannot be easily seen. Look at the picture. We can spot the buffalo's ears on the side of its head. Children, do you see ant's ears? No, we cannot easily see. Can you spot the snake's ears? We cannot easily spot snake's ears. Look at the picture of crow. Can you spot the crow's ears? We cannot see. The ears are hidden by feathers. Children, look at this picture carefully. We cannot easily see the ears of lizard. Yes, children, pig's ears can be seen easily. Do you see duck's ears? No, we cannot see. The next picture is giraffe. We can easily spot the leaf-like ears of giraffe. An elephant has huge fan-like ears, so we can see the ears easily. Look at this picture carefully. Cat's ears we can see easily. Here we can easily spot the ears of monkey. Children, now you learned different animals have different kinds of ears. One activity. Here two lists you can see. In the first column you have to write animals whose ears we can see. In the second column animals whose ears we cannot see. Okay? Children, do you think that the animals whose ears we cannot see, really they don't have ears? Let's observe this picture. Children, name the animals in the picture. Yes, hen, sparrow, parrot, duck, crow and frog. Okay? Can you see their ears? All have ears, but we cannot see them. Birds have no external ears. Their ear openings are hidden beneath feathers on the side of the head. Birds have ear holes instead of ears. These ear holes are hidden by feathers. Children, do you know frogs do not have external ears, but they do have ear holes located directly behind their eyes. Children, you must learn these answers. First question, name the animals in the picture I told you earlier. Second one, can you see their ears? They all have ears even though we cannot see them. Question number 3, an animal with ears on the top of its head. Answer, rabbit. Question number 4, an animal with ears on both sides of its head. Dog. An animal with ears like fan. Elephant. An animal with ears like lace. Rabbit. Children, you know very well that ears help us to hear. In some animals, you can see the ears. In some animals, you cannot. We cannot see a bird's ears. Birds have tiny holes on both sides of their head. Generally, the holes are covered with feathers. They help the bird to hear. If you look carefully, you will see tiny holes on lizard's head. These are its ears. A crocodile also has ears like this, but we cannot see them easily. Crocodiles have ears. Their ears are located behind their eyes in the upper part of their heads. Yes, children, let's see what we have seen in the chapter. You learned about ears of different animals, ears of different shape and size, animals whose ears we can see, animals whose ears we cannot see. Okay, I hope all of you understood the lesson. Okay, children, be safe, keep learning. Thank you.